All right, this ed puzzle today is for point 2, day 3, Fruit Flies Virtual Lab. Warm-up question: what is something a Punnett square cannot tell you? Your objective: students to be able to complete blank squares. Well, what have we been learning about? What should go into this blank? Hint: the warm-up question tells you. Students to be able to complete blank squares. All right. The virtual lab is Flash, which is going by. It's EOL. End of life is already come and gone. So I'm going to walk you through this. You can answer questions as you watch this video. All right. So the first thing you do, we're going to click on here. It's going to bring us to scenario 1. It's asking us to make a cross between the following flies: a heterozygous gray-bodied fly or a homozygous black-bodied fly. All right, so pay attention here. I'm going to help walk you through the first scenario, but you're going to do all of your own on the second scenario to know which to choose. So it's a heterozygous gray-bodied fly. So heterozygous means not the same. So I have these three choices between capital G, capital G, lowercase g, and lowercase g. Well, only one of those is heterozygous, but two of them are gray-bodied. So this one here is the heterozygous gray-bodied fly. All right, and parent 2, that's one down here, a homozygous black-bodied fly. So I look at all these. These two are gray. This one's black. So let's choose this one. All right, check parents. And we are correct. Then it automatically put these things up here for us. All right, now I need to drag these over to the correct spot. I got capital G, lowercase g, and lowercase g. All right, which one is going to go in this first spot here? Well, it's a homozygous, capital G, lowercase g, so I drag it over. This one here, which one belongs? That's right. How about this one here? Very good. And this one here. Excellent. Now check offspring.
Fill in the rest of the Punnett square to determine the expected genotype and phenotype of all the offspring.
All right, so I'm going to put the phenotypes in there too. Which fly goes into this first space here? Is it the gray-bodied or the black-bodied? All right, excellent. What about this space here in the top right corner, lowercase g, gray-bodied or black-bodied? That's right. And what about this space here? Is it the gray-bodied or the black-bodied? Very good. And finally, this one here. That's right, the black-bodied fly. All right, that's scenario 1. Let's do another one. I'll ask you a couple more questions on this one. Scenario 3, make a cross between the following flies: a homozygous long-winged fly or a homozygous vestigial-winged fly. And so look here, this one's the long wing, this one's the vestigial wing. So parent 1 is going to be a homozygous long wing. So which will it be? That's right, capital L, the first one. The second one is a homozygous vestigial wing fly. All right, so which of these three is a homozygous vestigial wing fly? All right, that's right, homozygous lowercase l, and it's got the vestigial wings. Okay. Now we're going to need to drag the phenotypes and the genotypes over. So which genotype will go into this first space, the top left space? Yep, very good. All right, which genotype will go into this top right space? Yep, capital L, lowercase l, very good. Which genotype will go into this bottom left space? Very good, capital L, lowercase l. And finally, in the bottom right corner, which genotype will go into this space? That's right, the capital L, lowercase l. Now we need to put the phenotypes in. That's the trait. So the dominant trait is the long wing. And so we got to figure out which phenotype goes into all four of these categories. Since these are all the exact same genotype, it's definitely going to be the same phenotype. So is it going to be the dominant long-winged fly or the recessive vestigial winged fly? That's right. They're all going to be the dominant long-winged fly. All right, let's do one more here. Scenario 10. All right, make a cross between the two flies that are expected to have all black-bodied offspring. All right, so we really got to think about that. Which two flies will be expected to have all black-bodied offspring? So we've got the gray-bodied homozygous dominant gray. We got the gray-bodied heterozygous gray dominant, and we got the homozygous black-bodied where the it's both recessive. So which two flies are going to have the offspring of all black-bodied offspring? Okay. Why don't you take a minute to think about that? All right, very good. You are correct. Lowercase g, black body, with a lowercase g, black body. Check parents. All right. And then all four of these are going to be the exact same. And they called it here. Which genotype and phenotype will be the answer? Which of these? GG, capital G, lowercase g, or lowercase g, and gray or black. Which will it be for all four? Yep, very good. They're all lowercase g. All right, and then are they all black-bodied or are they all gray-bodied? Gray or black? All right, very good. They're all black-bodied. Let's check the offspring. All right, very good. Now let's ask some comprehension questions about this. All right, first question. Can the genotype for a gray-bodied fly be determined? Yes or no? In the second part of this question, list all the possible genotypes for a fly with that phenotype. So choose the correct answer for genotypes for a gray-bodied fly. All right, question 2. Explain why an organism with a homozygous dominant genotype has the same phenotype as an organism with a heterozygous genotype. All right, choose the best answer. Question 3. What genetic information can be obtained from a Punnett square? All right, choose the best answer. Question 4. What genetic information cannot be determined from a Punnett square? Choose the best answer. And the wrap-up question, make sure you watch this video until the end and click on the next button in the bottom right corner of the assignment in Canvas. Hope you enjoyed.